Hi everyone, welcome back to another series of Altium Develop. So, in this Altium Develop series, we won't just draw the schematics, we will go from the idea, requirements, and then designing the circuit. And after designing the circuit, we will design the PCB, and in the final step, we will release the PCB for the manufacturing purpose. So, by the end of this video, you should know what bug converter you are designing because this video is about bug converter project setup in Altium Develop. So you will know how to create project in Altium Develop. You will understand why defining specs before schematics is critical. So in this first video, we will define a bug converter project properly because bad designs, bad specs, basically bad requirements leads to bad design. So let's get started. So define the bug converter idea. So we will be designing a DC-DC bug converter for an embedded system application. So in this uh, list of videos, uh, we will be designing this bug converter. But in this first video, we will be defining the parameters and creating the project and learning the basics of creating project and adding requirements to the project. So first of all, let's say we have the input voltage requirement of 12 volts and output voltage is 5 volt, output current 3 amps. So the output power becomes 3 into 5, which becomes 15 watts. It's the power output. So every parameter in the design matters when working on a specific required buck converter. Like V in is defining what will be the MOSFET drain to source voltages because the V in will flow from drain to source, and what will be the input caps and what will be the gate driver IC, and output voltage is defining the feedback network, what will be the feedback network of the resistors on the feedback side of the output, and output current like 3 amps is defining the inductor current, what will be the size of the inductor. It will help you in sizing of your inductor. And similarly, power output defines what will be the thermal characteristics of the design. So let's first create a project in the Altium Develop. As you know, in our previous tutorial videos, we have learned how to create a project in Altium Develop. Just click on the new and add the name of your project, like as I have added buck converter 5 volt 3 amp. Naming convention also matters when you are naming your project because maybe in future you will need to look for your previous designs. Then it will become a very difficult task to search for a specific project. So that's why I have right here the output characteristics of the project, 5 volt and 3 amps, because our output voltage is 5 volts and 3 amps. So I will recommend you to always add some specific uh, uh, character or specific specs of your project so you can get back to the project instantaneously. So as you can see, I have opened the project in the Altium Designer Develop software, and I am adding the schematics library and PCB library schematics project and PCB doc in the schematics and save into the default position or location or in your PC. By default, it will be saved under the C drive under the Altium project folder. Just save all the project files over here and then you will save it to the server. Then these files will be also saved over your workspace. So it is saved now. When you go back to the workspace, let's wait a second. Here is the schematics, and what buck converter is looks like. Let me go back to the workspace, and as you can see, it is generating the visualization. The schematics and PCB were added. So how what basically the buck converter looks like? So we will give a 12 volt at the input of the buck converter, and it will give us the 5 volt at 3 amps. It will be all controlled by the control circuitry midway between your input and output, just like this, as I have written over here. Here you have 12 volt input and 5 volt as an output, and in the midway you will have a control circuitry which will be controlling and sensing your feedback and the output, and giving you the constant 5 volt at the output. So it's a big picture of our design. We will see what is the internal circuitry of each block over here in our upcoming video. So let me add an arrow. 12 volt will be go over the control circuitry, and control circuitry will be sensing the output voltage, and by using the feedback it will be giving you a constant 5 volt. So save it to the server. Let me change the name as it's the general description of the project. So I'm writing over here description dot schematic doc, description dot schematic stock. So let it be saved. So it is saved now. You can save it to the server, and when you will go back to the server you will see the changes are made over here. So all the blocks are added. So also you can see the schematics doc is over here, PCB doc is over here, and PCB library and schematics library is under the other documents tab. So uh, also let's go back, and you can go to the requirements portal over here and add your project over here, and add multiple requirements of the project which is specific to the project, just like buck boost or a buck converter 5 volt 3 amp project. Create a project and add your all the requirements in this tab. You can import the requirements, or you can write the requirements, or you can generate the requirements using AI tool. I'm adding it over here. You can give it a name, specs. You can give it a section, subsection, or you will write all your requirements over here. As we know, our input voltage is 15 or 12 volts, and output voltage is 5 volts at 3 amps, and power rating is are also written over here. So I will paste all the requirements in this workspace requirements portal. So if the designer comes to design this circuit, he will look for the requirements. What are the requirements specific for this project? So I have as I have given the same name as the project, just like buck converter 5 volt 3 amp. So the designer will come to know that this requirement is specific to this project. So in this way you can also attach the requirement to your project as well. So I've had added the requirements, and you can see the requirements are also added. So, uh, so in this video, we have learned how to define buck converter idea and how to create a project in Altium Develop, added high level requirements, and explained why specs matter. So in the upcoming video, we will start component selection and topology choice for our 5 volt 3 amp buck converter with 12 volt input. So follow us for the upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.